Editor Girlich. The best editor training in the world. Hi, I'm Selena. Do you want to be a professional editor too? I'll teach you the latest and greatest edits, and turn you into a special editor in no time. My genius and flower friends, it is not a coincidence that you chose me, because nothing happens. I will teach you the easiest way to edit a photo without any skills, you just need to pay attention. So let's start. Open the PicsArt program. On the very first page you will be offered some edits. You can choose one of these edits and you can also search for the edit you want with the option at the top of the page, for example, Scary Edit, YouTube Edit, Instagram Edit. Well, I have already selected the edits and saved them in the Saved section. You can do the same thing. After you have chosen the edit you want, now do the things I do in order and edit to your taste. Just as easily and in 5 minutes. If you have any questions or need help, comment. I will surely answer you, dear ones.
Move around, let your skin show, baby, turn it up, make it work, one more time, you know how it goes, baby, shake your hips, drop it low, move around, let your skin show, baby, turn it up, make it work, one more time, you know how it goes, baby, shake your hips, drop it low, move around, let your skin show, baby, turn it up, make it work, one more time, you know how it goes, baby, shake your hips, drop it low, move around, let your skin show, baby, turn it up, you know how it goes, baby, turn it up, 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 you know how it goes, baby, turn it up. You got to.
If you don't subscribe, my channel won't grow, so support me.
Drop it low, baby, turn it up, make it work, one more time. You know how it goes, baby, shake your hips, drop it low, move around, let your skin show, baby, turn it up, make it work, one more time. You know how it goes, baby, shake your hips, drop it low, move around, let your skin show, baby, turn it up. You know how it goes, baby, turn it up, turn it up, turn it up, let your skin show, baby, turn it up, turn it up, one more time. You know how it goes, baby, turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it, let your skin show, baby, turn it, turn it, turn it. You got to turn it up, make it work, one more time. You know how it goes.
And welcome to my tea party. Spooky?